I am so excited that I'm finally able to do an album share of this new album that I created. It is Let's Go Somewhere Folio album. So yay! Welcome, welcome my Scrappin friends. And in this video, I'm going to show you the complete album and how I decorated it. I did decorate it with a 12 by 12 collection kit from Simple Stories, and it's all about a wedding. Beautiful paper, guys, beautiful. And this album is totally made out of file folders. And I did use kraft cardstock, black, and a cream colored. I do have the tutorial available that you can go to my website, scrappinitup.com, with no G, and you can pick up your tutorial. And for a little while I will have this discounted because we're going to be decorating it over on my Facebook page. And when we usually do that, I will discount the tutorial while we're decorating it. So hop over there real quick and get your tutorial while it is discounted, okay? And then after we get done with it over on my Facebook page, then I put it back to full price, all right? So go grab it if you want it. You get the supply list, the cutting guide, the written instructions, and the process videos that walk you step by step how to create this album, okay? This album is completely made out of file folders, and it does incorporate my floating folio hinge that I designed a couple of years ago that I came up with. The spine of this is 2 pieces of cardstock glued together, and then I just scored it. Beautiful album, guys. I can't wait to show you. And it's going to probably be a little hard to keep all of it on camera because, as you know, a folio is either on this side and this side, or one side. It's never in the middle, okay? Like your albums with your hidden hinge, you have your spine of your album is where your pages are hooked to. That's a mini album. A folio is nothing's hooked to the spine, okay? I know that's a question that gets asked a lot, so. All right, so this is my cover page, and the album, I did make it out of chipboard. So this opens up, okay? And then you have a nice pocket here. And then you have a nice pocket here. And I didn't do any, let me see if I've got something here where I can kind of show you pockets. So you have a pocket here, okay? And this pocket here, there we go. So just like that. All right. So then here's my floating folio hinge, okay? And it's nothing real complicated to make either. And I explain in the process video step by step. So look at that. Now I did decorate this with just one collection kit, okay? So there's 12 sheets of double-sided paper. I did have a 6x8 paper pad, and then I had embellishments. So in this one, you're gonna see a lot of cardstock. I used the gray and the cream color to help fill in because I didn't have enough paper to do the whole album. And I love how this turned out. Love it. You know, because a lot of times we don't want to buy 2 of these. So I just buy one, and then I fill it in with cardstock. Beautiful paper. Beautiful. So then you have a pocket here. Okay. And then that flips. Beautiful. And then I used from the sticker collection that came with it, I just put them on the tabs. And then here I done like a little insertion place. I did this on both sides, so you have them over here too. And then this opens up. Okay. And I didn't put nothing over here because I want to save it for photographs. I didn't want to bulk it up too much. Alright, did the same thing over here. And then that flips. I mean, beautiful. I love this. And this album does measure 10 by 10. It does have 3 pages. So this opens up so you can journal right here or put a photo here. Then you have a pocket right here. Then this flips, and then you have a pocket on the back. All right. And I just, you know, and just strips that were left over from the collection. And I just put them here and then embellished on them. Here, you have a pocket here. And you have a pocket here. So it's a double pocket. And then this opens up. And then these just flip up. Okay. For that. And I didn't do the back side of these, because I didn't want to bulk it up too much. And I just love the craft. I love these 3 colors together with this collection. It turned out beautiful. And that's what I mean. You know, I didn't have full sheets of paper. So what I done is made photo mats. And then you can just put your picture on here. And then you have a mat that goes behind your photograph. Or you can just place the photos here. You know, where you place your photo here. Journal here. Alright. Again, you know, here's another piece here. And then again, you flip this open, you can journal. Okay. You do have a pocket here. But I love how this turned out with the cardstock and the paper. I love it. And the embellishments were pretty darn cute. I love file folders. Do you guys love file folder albums too? I love them. I've done quite a few file folder albums. So if you haven't caught some of them, go to my playlist. I do have some that I have taught right here on YouTube. You can go catch those. But I have done several file folder albums, and I love them. And then you got a pocket here, and then that flips. So then again here, you open this up, you can journal. And then of course you have a pocket here. And you have a pocket here. Okay. Now this is a back cover. So this opens up just like the front cover. Opens up and you have a pocket here. Yeah, I'm a big fan of file folder album. I hope you are too. Let me know in the comments if you are too or not. I do. I have made a lot of them, and I truly love them. I mean, I like the, you know, the feel of the file folder albums. They're pretty strong. I just love them. In fact, I've got, I have the Let's Wander album, which is a file folder album. I have this one that is a file folder album. And I have another one that is coming up that is going to be a file folder album. So, yep. But yeah, just beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Oh, did I? Yep, I showed you the back. But that is my Let's Go Somewhere folio album. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. If you liked it. Yeah, just let me know. And we'll see you in the next video. Talk to you girls later. Bye-bye.